Does it look fake? Does the hair system look fake? Not if you maintain it properly, it doesn't. Hair systems are all about maintenance. Does it look fake, guys? What do you reckon? Anyway, welcome from me, myself, and the hair man. The beast and me. Whichever one you prefer. Hair systems look fake if they're too bulky, not done correctly, cut in with scissors instead of razoring. All those types of things are really important to make a hair system look natural. If they're not done, especially the razoring, the blunt cuts, where if your own hair growing and the hair system not growing, that can make it look fake. It's really important to use razor work and sectioning and that kind of stuff when you cut a hair system in. Maintenance of a hair system is probably the key. I've had a couple of colours on this system now, and you can still see it's looking really good. My swoosh look. When I remove it, I clean it properly, I don't rush it. Every single logical thing you can think of is to help it not look fake. Come on, let's think. Leave-in conditioner if the hair system's getting old so it doesn't look dry. I've got another new product actually. I'll show you it to it because I'm trying it. Absolutely fantastic. I'll put it up like this so you can see it. Can you see that? Like this. Revlon Professional All-in-One Hair Treatment. 10 ideal benefits. I'll read them without my glasses on. Makes you look fantastic and 20 years younger. No, that's obviously I'm just living in a dream world. Right, so with this product, really like it, and I've used it today with this system, and you can see it looks quite nice and it brushes through and replenishes it. So pretty much looking after the system, the maintenance is the key. All the vlogs I've seen, just all the vlogs I've done, look after the hair, brush the hair correctly, you know, go regularly to your maintenance so they can take care of it. You know, if you need a colour, they'll run a colour through and keep the blends. So regular returning to the Hair For All salon, or if you're doing it on your own, just keeping on top of the logical things, yeah? And then everything's going to be okay, alright? So this does not look fake. I don't think it does it? Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.